Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Indonesia joins BRICS. Indonesia has been officially admitted as a full member of the BRICS bloc. The announcement was made by Brazil, the presiding country of BRICS. Indonesia's candidacy was endorsed by BRICS leaders in August 2023 with formal membership following the formation of its new government. This marks a significant expansion for BRICS, which continues to grow in global influence. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now been shifted to Noida, and the offline batch for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains, the admissions are open. The English medium batch is starting from 9th of January 6 p.m. while the Hindi medium batch is starting from 16th of January 11:30 a.m. For any query or for more information, give us a call at 87501 87501. Key details of Indonesia's membership. Indonesia is Southeast Asia's largest economy and population, making it a key addition to the group. Indonesia shares BRICS' commitment to reforming global governance institutions. Indonesia is expected to contribute positively to deepening cooperation among developing economies. Indonesia's inclusion strengthens BRICS' geopolitical influence in Asia and the Pacific. BRICS. BRICS was formed by Brazil, Russia, India and China in 2009 and added South Africa in 2010. Last year, the alliance expanded to embrace Iran, Egypt, Ethiopia and the United Arab Emirates. Saudi Arabia has been invited to join but has not yet done so. Turkey, Azerbaijan and Malaysia have formally applied to become members and a few others have expressed interest. Now it's time for the practice question. Which country has been invited to join BRICS but has not yet accepted? Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Turkey or Egypt? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.